Okay, good afternoon guys. This afternoon guys, we are going to study about on how to estimate the product. So example, 9134 times 25. So first you are going to run off the multiplicand and the multiplier. This is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. So you're going to run off to the highest place value. So ari ka sa 9. So since the next number is 1, so remain 9. Then the raise is 0. Times, since this is 5, so we add 1 to number 2, so it will become 30. Mahimo siyang 30. Mahimo siyang 30. Then, we are going to use shortcut method kaya na may mga daghang 0. You just only count how many 0 from multiplier to multiplicand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3 times 9 is 27. So the answer is, the product is 270,000. Okay, so this is how to estimate the product. Dali ra kadyo. First, you are going to run off the multiplicand and the multiplier. Then, in multiplying to get the estimated product, you are going to count only the 0 from the multiplier to the multiplicand. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, 3 times 9 equals 27. So, the estimated product is 270. That's it, guys, for today.